Have you ever thought your rooftop or small space could also become a beautiful garden? Today we will learn about an easy solution, the raised garden bed, which will transform your gardening experience. What materials are needed to build a raised bed? You can choose based on your budget and preference. Wood. Rot-resistant wood like teak or deodar, cedar is the most popular. It looks beautiful and easy to construct. Bricks and concrete blocks. These are very durable and can be used for many years. Metal sheets. Galvanized steel beds are very popular nowadays, offering a modern look and long lifespan. Recycled plastic, environmentally friendly and lightweight. These can also be used. Remember, using a weight barrier fabric or old newspaper or cardboard at the bottom of the bed helps reduce weight problems. Creating a raised bed is actually very easy. Location selection. Choose a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Building the bed frame. Construct a frame or structure for the bed using your chosen material. Typically, the bed height can range from 6 inches to 1.5 feet. A higher bed will require more soil but will be more comfortable for working without bending over. Filling the soil. This is the most crucial part in seed or ordinary soil. Fill the bed with a mix of compost, coir pitch, cocopeat, vermicompost, and good garden soil. Using high-quality soil will help your plants grow quickly. You can reduce amount of soil needed by placing thick branches, wood, or broken pots at the very bottom of the bed. Why should you use a raised bed instead of a regular garden? It has several excellent advantages. Controlled and improved soil. You can create the ideal soil mixture with your own hands, eliminating problems with sandy or clay soil. Improved drainage. Rainwater does not accumulate, so there is no fear of the plant roots rotting. Fewer weeds. Since there is less connection between the bed and the ground and plants can be planted more densely, the problem of weeds is significantly reduced. Easier work. Since the bed is raised, the strain of bending down to work is greatly reduced. This is blessing especially for the elderly or children with back problems. Higher yield. Due to the improved soil quality, it is possible to get a greater harvest from a small area. The raised garden bed is a wonderful and productive agricultural method. It will make your rooftop garden or backyard garden more beautiful, healthier, and easier to manage.